Hi guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can delete your VPN account. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Before deleting the account, please make sure that there is no active subscription on your account. Deleting the account will not stop the automatic renewal of the subscription. If there's an active subscription on your account, please cancel the subscription first and then delete the account after the subscription expires. Please note that once the account is deleted, all related information will be completely deleted from the VPN system and cannot be restored. If you have decided to delete your account, please follow the steps below to delete your account. Method 1. For users of iOS and Android, visit the VPN homepage and log in into your account. From left sidebar, select Account page, and then select Delete Account and select Delete. And you are done. Method 2. For users of Mac, first you need to visit VPN homepage and then choose Account page and then select Delete Account. And finally, you can select Delete. And you are done. If you are an Android, iOS or Mac user but do not see the Delete Account function, please upgrade your VPN to the latest version. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your VPN account. So if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.